Hello, I am Nilesh Gupta. We'll see the topic create the motion group and servo access for an integrated motion on an Ethernet IP network. Now the motion group. Motion group is located in a controller organizer. It is the collection of servo access and the Studio 5000 logic designer. Each controller they have only one motion group and servo access, which is used within the controller must be a part of motion groups. Now it had containing the data necessary to coordinate the access is automatically generated when the group is created. Now the course update period. Course update period is a repeatable rate at which motion planner in the controller update the access confirmation to and from the Ethernet IP in a phase. It is configured in a motion group property and fixed performance of the drive controller and Ethernet IP network. It's adjusted by optimum performance from the drive and not overloading the controller or Ethernet IP network. A motion group can have up to the 3 separate course update periods. Each is configured in the motion group property window. Now the estimated utilization of the motion. A programmer can move axis between the 3 course updates, so 2.0 millisecond, 4.0 millisecond and the 6.0 millisecond as needed to match with the axis requirements. Now typically, axis which requires a significant feedback to maintain the precise controller over the faster update rates, which is taken place in the 2.0 milliseconds first. Now the axis which require a minimal feedback like a simple transport conveyor typically have the slower update rate. Now the looking axis between the various course update periods are automatically update the estimated utilization found in the lower left corner of the axis schedule window. You can see here the estimated utilization of the motion. So the logics controller, task IO cycle, connection IO cycle, communications, Ethernet media, and here the actual utilization of the motion. Now to calculate the initial course update period, you should allow the 0.5 millisecond per real non-virtual axis and 1 millisecond for the virtual axis, and the minimum 1 millisecond should be used for integrated motion drives on an Ethernet IP network. Now the motion axis. In a motion axis, a single motor control system include feedback and error compensation. Motion axis also called as a servo axis. When control over an Ethernet IP network, it is represented by axis drive CIP in Studio 5000 logic designer applications. Now that there are the different types of the axis: circos, analog, SIP and virtual. They can be either a motion group or a ungroup axis. Or tip: it is recommended that axis name use like this: axis xxx underscore axis name underscore axis type, where xxx refers to an axis number, axis name refers to a specific name, and the axis type notes if the axis is a circos, SIP or virtual or analog. Now we'll see the Studio 5000 Logic Designer. We'll create the new project, create the motion group and axis. Now we have opened the Studio 5000 Designer. Now to create the new projects here. You can see here the multiple controllers are over here. You need to expand the Compact Logix 5370 controller and select the 1769L18 ARM BB1B as your controller. Now the type the controller name IMCK P71769 underscore A1. I will store this on the desktop. Now here you will select the revision from the drop down list. You will select here the expansion IO. I don't need expansion IO, so I am selecting the 0 modules only. Now click finish to create the new project. Just system is in processing, creating the new project. Now you can see the project has been created. Still in progress. Now you can see here the controller name IMCK57 underscore 1769 underscore A1. Now click on the controller properties, select the date and time. Now click the enable time synchronization checkbox, and now click on the apply and OK to accept the changes. Now that time the synchronization is enabled, you will create now the motion groups and add access to the motion group. Now to create the motion group, just right click on the motion group, select the new motion group, type your motion group name IMCK57 underscore demo. So we have created the motion groups. Now create the axis, right click on the motion groups you have created, select the new axis, select the axis CIP drive and type there the CIP drive name. So I am typing here the axis 000 underscore converter underscore CIP. You can call that a SIP. Now you can repeat this process to create the additional motion axis. Again I will right click on the motion group, create a new axis, select the axis CIP drive, click on axis 001 underscore motor underscore x underscore ship. Again we'll create the new axis capital, axis 002 underscore y underscore motor underscore y underscore ship. Now in this way you can repeat the process and create the motion groups you needed. So we have completed this creating the motion group and axis topic here. Thank you guys.